First go to the file and choose open. Select this girl image, click open. Now take the quick selection tool and select the eyeglasses like this. Take a new layer, select the gradient tool, open the gradient editor panel, double click the color stop icon, choose the color of the shirt, click OK. Select the opacity stop icon, decrease the opacity to 0%, press OK. Now apply the gradient like this. Press Ctrl D to deselect, go to blend modes and choose multiply. Let's see the final result.